Hello everyone, this is Alyona from BusinkaMania and today we are going to create this sleeping mask. Let's get to it. For this project you will need some silky fabric, pattern you can find link in the description below, and stuffing fabric for our mask to be more thicker. So we will need to place our pattern here, and by the way, make sure your fabric fold in half, like mine here. So I fold my fabric, and you see here word fold, you need to place this pattern here on the fold of the fabric, after outline everything around. And don't forget about these marks, that's for our strap. We need to do the same with our stuffing. Place your pattern on it, after outline everything around, and cut out with your scissors. So here we have two elements of our mask on the fabric, one on the stuffing, and we have one strap here. We need to fold the strap in half and sew here with the sewing machine up to the end of the strap, up to this place. Now you will need to turn your strap on the right side. For this we will need to take safe pin and pass our thread inside. Now I'll just block it by making few knots. Exactly this way. And now I need to take this safe pin and put this inside of our strap. This way. And pass this through up to the end. Now turn everything out. Let's cut the pin out and iron our strap. Take the elastic, but I would advise you to measure yourself before. And the same way, take the safety pin and put this inside of our elastic. And then you will need to pass it through inside of your strap. Now, on top of the wrong side of the fabric, place the stuffing, this way, and attach everything around, like you will see me doing here, with the needles. Do this everywhere around. Take the strap and place this here, you see our marks, so place this on the marks for the strap, and attach this with the needles, on the both sides. Take the second element of the mask and place it face to face on top of the first one. Attach everything around with the needles. Now grab the needle and the thread and sew everything around, like you see me doing here. This is what we have so far, from one side and from another. Now we need to go to the sewing machine and sew everything around. If you use the same silky fabric as me, then needles number 70 will be perfect for this project. I'm gonna put two marks on top of my mask, here and here, and I'll start to sew from one of my mark up to the next one. I need some open space, like a hole, to turn my mask out. That's why I'm doing this. So you start to sew, do it very slowly because we don't want to make any mistake or not straight stitches, and rotate your mask under the foot very slowly. Sometimes I can open this, rotate and put the foot back and continue sewing. So basically follow me on this moment, exactly like I'm doing here. And we will need to do it up to the middle of our mask where we have our nose. So I'm almost there. So when you see me here in this place, I'm not using my foot pedal at all. I'm turning my sewing machine by hands and doing everything slowly, step by step. So don't rush in this place because this place is the most important. When you pass through this place, then you can continue your sewing as usual. So I stopped to sew on my first mark, you see? And this is my space to turn my mask on the right side. Now I need to remove all the thread of the stitches I've made by my hands. Now all I need is to turn my mask on the right side. So here we are. Our mask is almost ready. All we just need is to cover this small hole here by hands, using the needle and the thread. Just sew this place. My mask is ready. All I just will need to is to iron it, and I would like to attach small bow in the middle. How to make this little guy you can find on our tutorial number 2, and if you follow step by step this video, then you should have the same mask as me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question, just leave your comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!